So you do get the beach almost all to yourself if you get up early in the morning. I just can't stop taking photos today. It's literally a perfect morning. We're early adventuring this morning.
Good morning.
Woot woot. We gotta get Jason some McDonald's first. And by Jason, I mean myself, because I am craving a breakfast sandwich. We've been trying to be skinny bitches and get those RX bar life, but we need some other sustenance.
Barbara, give me the angry face on my... I hope you enjoy your Canadian cruise.
Jarvis has been giving me angry faces on everything. Alright. So here we are. We're hoping to get some of the walk-up tickets today. I don't know where the national anthems are playing from, but pretty surreal. We made it in. I'm not gonna claim where all my cameras are being stored right now. Alright, so we got our tickets. They were free, which online they charge. I'm gonna have to figure that out a little bit more, but
$3.99.
it starts in the theater. So here we go.
Many of you will probably recognize the voice of Stocker Channing. I think she does a wonderful job of walking you through the events leading up to the
Yeah, she's the one that does the 23-minute documentary.
The attack itself and a little bit of the aftermath. Following the film, you will then walk out to the dock, and that is where you're going to board a Navy launch. Now, normally that would be the boat that would actually take you and drop you off at the Arizona Memorial. However, as many of you know already, or you should know because it's been...
Alright, post movie, we head out to the boat.
Yeah.
Duration of the boat ride, and watch your step as you embark and disembark the vessel. Standing is not permitted at any time while the vessel is underway. We ask that you silence your cell phones and refrain from texting during your time on board. Once we approach the USS Arizona Memorial, the U.S. Navy will maneuver the boat so that everyone has an opportunity to take photos. But again, no standing is permitted for the duration of the ride. If you have any questions during your visit today, please speak with the National Park Service representative. The mooring key closest to the bridge was reserved for the USS Nevada. The Nevada was the only battleship to get underway during the attack on Oahu. She pulled out that would play a vital role in the coming conflict in the Pacific. On December 7, 1941, ship's air raid alarm went off, and the ship soon went to general quarters, with a call for all hands to go to their battle stations immediately. For the next 10 minutes, the men of the Arizona endured strafing from incoming Japanese planes and bombs from Nakajima B-5N Kate torpedo bombers, which carried armor. This includes every member of the heralded USS Arizona Band, 23 sets of brothers, and even a father and his son. For the attack, the USS Arizona had taken on almost 1.4 million gallons of fuel oil in preparation. The last survivor of the USS Arizona passes on. The USS Arizona Memorial is the entry room, assembly room. A devastating blow cost the Japanese 29 planes and 56 airmen. On December 7, 1941, enjoy the remainder of your visit and wish you farewell.
So after the boat ride, you get off over here.
sister, my brother, and I all had to wear a black badge. And this is the most noticeable thing when you walk in the door of the gate of a military, they stop you, you get searched everything, but money's been waiting by, and you stand there looking up in the sky, and don't look Japanese. So.
I need a survivor today. Well, that's a view coming up here. Doesn't it? It just feels like the sky is so low. That view.
Beautiful.
That is some rough water. I would not be swimming in that.
No, it's very rocky.
Watch out, falling rocks, Jason.
Well, you're on the rock side, so good luck.
Fire can't kill a dragon. Rocks, on the other hand, potentially good. Saw a big, huge wave crash over here. Wow.
That's beautiful.
That is gorgeous.
Am I ruining your video?
No, this is perfect for my video. Do you have the full intro? You do. This is the full 50-second intro, man.
I'm committed.
He's very committed.
This isn't the watered down radio edit.
No, it's not. Are you ready for your moment?
There were nights when the wind was so cold, like a frozen bed if I just listened to it right outside the window. There were days when the sun was so cruel, all the tears turned to dust, and I just knew my eyes were drying up forever.
Blast it, Jason.
I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember when or where or how, and I banished every memory you and I had ever made. Touch me like this, and hold me like that. I just want to.
Like, it's just stunning.
Put this back on
That is gorgeous. If there's so many nice little photo stuff-offs. That's gorgeous. That's one of those islands that's on the map.